Good morning, children. Today, in our second lesson, we are going to see about Mullai land. And already we have seen the five elements of nature and the physical features of the landforms and about Kurunji land. Today, we are going to discuss about remaining landforms. Forest, Mullai land. A large area covered by trees is called forest. So what is forest, children? It is a large area covered by trees. Forest is fully covered by trees. So the forest region is referred as Mullai land. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. So Kurunji land is composed of red soil and black soil. Here Mullai land also, it is the presence of red soil. So it is called Sembulam. So the forest region is referred as Mullai land. Here the theme of Mullai land. God, Thirumal, people, Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Occupation, cattle rearing, gathering fruits and sowing millets. And plant and flower, Goa and Mullai flower. Animal and bird, bear, rabbit and parrot. Musical instrument, Mullai yar. So, I have told you already, in theme, we have, the theme is deals with God, people, occupation, plant and flower, animal and bird, musical instrument. So, God of Mullai land is Thirumal, people of Mullai land is Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Occupation of Mullai land people is cattle rearing, gathering fruits and sowing millets. Plant of Mullai land is Goa. Flower of Mullai land is Mullai flower. Animal of Mullai land is bear and rabbit. Bird of Mullai land is parrot. Musical instrument of Mullai land is yar. God is Thirumal. This is occupation of Mullai land people, cattle rearing and sowing millets. Flower of Mullai land is Mullai flower. Animal of Mullai land is rabbit. Bird of Mullai land is parrot. Here, the people and their occupation. The people and their occupations. Idayar, their work is milk seller. Ayar, their work is cattle rearer. So, Idayar are milk sellers, Ayar are cattle rearers. So, these are the people, Idayar, Ayar. Their occupation is milk seller and cattle rearer. So, the soil of Mullai land. The land of Mullai has red soil with stones and pebbles. I have told you already, the Mullai land is covered by, it is full of red soil. So, it is called as Sembulam. So, the land of Mullai has red soil with stones and pebbles. Here they have given some forest in Tamil Nadu. Mangrove forest, Malai forest, reserve forest and Shola forest. Mangrove forest in Pichavaram in Kudalur district. Malai forests are in Nilgiri district, reserve forest in Kanyakumari district, Shola forest in Coimbatore and also in Nilgiri districts. So they have given forest and the places. Mangrove forest in Pichavaram, Malai forest in Nilgiris, reserve forest in Kanyakumari, Shola forest in Coimbatore. Here they have given some manufactured products and the trees used to produce those. Okay, children? Yes. Look here. Here they have given notes about Pichavaram forest. Pichavaram forest is a mangrove forest. See, Pichavaram is a village near Chidambaram in Kudalur district. So Pichavaram is a village near Chidambaram in Kudalur district of Tamil Nadu, which is the second biggest mangrove forest. So Pichavaram mangrove forest is the second biggest mangrove forest in India. It comprises of small vegetation, aquatic animals, etc. with moist temperature. So, Pichavaram, it is a village near Chidambaram in Kudalur district, and it is the second biggest mangrove forest in India. Then we are going to discuss about Marudam land. It is called field. Okay, so Kurunji land is mountain, Mullai land is forest, Marudam land, it is a field. See, the vast flat land. Vast means a large. So, the vast flat land on the earth is called plain. So, the crop fields and their surroundings were known as Marudam, which means the agricultural land and the area around it was called Marudam land. Here, the theme. I have told you already, the theme deals with God, people, occupation, plant and flower, animal and bird, and musical instrument. The god of Marudam land is Indiran, also Vendan. People of Marudam land is Uravar and Urathiyar. Occupation is farming. I have told you it is the agricultural land and the area around it. So, occupation of Marudam land is farming. Plant of Marudam land is Kanji and Marudam. Flower is lotus and Kuvalai. Animal, buffalo. Bird, crane. Musical instrument is Marudayal. I'll tell you again, children. God of Marudam land is Indiran. People of Marudam land is Uravar and Urathiyar. Occupation is farming. Plant is Kanji or Marudam. Flower is lotus or Kuvalai. Animal is buffalo. Bird, crane. Musical instrument is Marudayal. Look here, children. So, God, Vendan, their occupation is farmers. Their flower is lotus and Kuvalai. Animal, buffalo. Bird, crane. The people and their occupations. Uran, Uravan, Kadayar. Uran occupation is small landlord. Uravan, they are farm workers. Kadayar, they are merchant, which means like a small businessman. Uran, Uravan, Kadayar. Uran are small landlords. Uravan are farm workers, and Kadayar, they are merchant. The soil of Marudam land. So, Kurunji land is covered with red soil and black soil. Mullai land is covered with only red soil with stones and pebbles. Here, the land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Alluvial soil and red soil. Here, yes, children, here is an amazing fact about Kallanai Dam. Kallanai is an ancient dam which is built across the river Kaveri in Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. In previous lesson, we have seen it was built by Karigalan before 2000 years. It is still strong. Then, its length is 1079 feet, width is 66 feet, and height is 18 feet. It is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Okay, children, remaining that is about Neidhal land and Palai land we'll discuss in our next class. Thank you all. See you.